Jai Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So friends, in today's video, I am going to take you through my daily routine which helped me to stay productive, organized, motivated and top of my task throughout the day. But before getting into the video, here I would like to say you one thing that when you are going to create your daily routine, so you should remember one thing, that is, in your daily routine you do the work with happen in repeatedly. Okay, that means you are going to the work to do again and again. You are going to the work in your daily basis, in your daily routine. So you should remember only one thing. You use a simple present tense, like I was, I sleep, I wake up, I drink, I go, I come. So in this way you can use only simple present tense. Okay, and the another thing is that I'm going to share with you in this video. Before getting in the video, the another thing is that I have so many friends. So always when they describe their daily routine, so always they say every time, after that, after that, after that. So don't speak this word after that, after that. Okay, there are so many options, okay, to use, such as generally, often, sometime, even, then, and after that also. So you can use another words in place of after that. Don't use every time change the sentences after that, after. Don't do that. Okay, so you have a lot of option. This kind, I will give you an example. So there are so many options to choose. First to choose when you are going to describe your daily routine. Okay friends, so this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English, because everyone who wants to be fluent, then first thing is that to speak out your daily routine, because this work we do repeatedly. We do these types of work in our daily basis. So generally the people say, okay, describe yourself, describe your daily routine. So you have to describe your daily routine in English. So once you create sentences, what you do in your daily routines and your daily routine, and you speak it out. Once you write it, okay, they do this, then I do this, then I do this, and after that you should speak out loud. Okay, so in this way you can create your daily routine. So in this video I'm going to give you my daily routine, and I'm sure after watching my video, after listening my video, so you can easily create your daily routine. Okay friends, so without any further delay, let's get into that video. And don't skip the video, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. Okay, so watch the video right till then. Okay, so let's get started. So I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Okay, so when I wake up, so sometime I stay in bed, and I rub my palm and place them on my face. Even it stimulate blood circulation and waking up senses, and also feel like waking up. Okay, and also gives our skin moisturizer, because when we rub the our palm, so it gets heat. So when we rub into the face, on the face, so it gives energy. So friends, when it gives energy, so it gives a moisturizers. Okay, and our skin glow. So first thing I do this. Okay, and after placing the palm on my face, then I check my mobile phone whether there is some calls or messages, and after that I pray to God to give another day such a beautiful day. And then I head to the kitchen and boil a glass of water and drink it. Okay, after drinking the water, I go to the washroom and I freshen up okay, and then I brush my teeth, okay, wash my face, okay, and take a cup of tea, okay, because in this time my husband make tea, okay. So I take tea. After taking the tea, I go to the washroom and wash, okay, take a wash, take a shower, and then dressed up, okay. Then often I go to the temple, and I worship the god. And after worshipping the god, I head to the kitchen and make some breakfast. Actually, we don't have to time to make breakfast or lunch, okay. So we both equal cook breakfast or lunch in a same time, so we can say brunch, okay. So I make some brunch, so and make two tiffin. First is my and another my husband. And after 8 a.m. I go to the school. When I go to the school, where I teaches small kids, like class first to fifth, okay. And after coming to the school, I dress up, as I freshen up, and take some small meal. And from 3 to 4 p.m. I get a small nap, okay. After waking up the nap, I make my tea and drink tea, okay. And then 5 to 6 it's my time to make a video, to give a time my English practicing, okay. And then I making a video and upload it on the YouTube. And some actually this is a time 4 or 5 p.m. It's my practice time, English speaking practice. In this time I can listen, I can hear, I can watching, I can read, okay. And I making some videos, okay. I make video and upload on YouTube and editing. So 4 or 5 time it is a time of my passion, that is English speaking, okay. So after 5 or to 6 p.m. I do some meditation. And after meditation I take a bath. And 6 p.m. 6 p.m. I go to the worship and do worship to God. And the the Deepak. And after 7 p.m., okay, I again go to the kitchen and make my dinner, okay. So 8:30 we means I and my husband both are take dinner, okay. After taking the dinner, we should automatically check all the doors and windows, that is properly locked or not, okay. So we check the doors and window. After locking the window and doors, we switch off the all the lights. And um, turn off the gas stove. And around 9:30 or 10 p.m. I get into the bed. And watch some 8 after half an hour I watch some series or anything of it, half an hour, okay. And after that it's my time to go to the uh, sleep. So in this way I create my daily routine, okay. So this is today my daily routine. This is a current my daily routine, okay. It's not the same every time, it's change depend on the situation. But now today it is the same, okay. So I hope you got some inspiration to create this type of your daily routine. Because once you create your daily routine, so it's gives you productive and make you uh, determined to do your work in proper time, okay friends. So I hope you got some inspiration to create more and daily routine. And once you create daily routine, then speak it loud, okay. So in this way you can uh, easily practice your English speaking skills, because this is a very primarily topic someone who is going to the English practicing, the first thing is that describe your daily routine. So you have to describe your daily routine. So this is a very common thing, I mean to say very common thing, describe your daily routine. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.